two ramps. One is steeper, but by how much? We need a number. That number is the slope, also called gradient. It describes a line's direction and steepness, how much y changes when x increases by 1. Positive slope, the line climbs as you move to the right. Negative, it descends as you move to the right. 0, flat road, no vertical change. And one strange case waits, the cliff. Here's the definition. The slope of a non-vertical line is the ratio of the vertical change, delta y, delta means change, to the horizontal change, delta x, for any two distinct points on the line. Both changes measured along the same trip. And the card promises the ratio is the same whichever 2 points you choose. Watch this trip across 2, up 1, 1/2. A longer trip across 4, up 2, 2/4, 1/2 again. The cliff. On a vertical line, the horizontal change is always 0, and dividing by 0 is undefined. So its slope is undefined. These are the x equals k lines, the ones that couldn't say y equals. Back to our ramps. 1 unit step, this one climbs 1, slope 1, this one climbs 2, slope 2. The bigger the number, the steeper the climb. And the downhill from before, across 1, down 1, delta y is -1, slope -1. The sign rides in the ratio. Your turn. Find the slope of this line. Pick a trip between 2 points, across 1, delta x is 1, and up 2, delta y is 2. So the slope is delta y over delta x, 2 over 1, 2. Now, here's this line's equation. Y equals 2x plus 1. In y equals mx plus c, m is the number multiplying x. Here, m is 2. And we just measured a slope of 2, straight off the picture. So m is the slope, not just the number that multiplies x, it's the line's steepness and direction in one number. Let's remember, slope, one number for direction and steepness. Moving right, positive climbs, negative descends, 0 is flat. Slope is delta c over delta x. The same for any 2 points you pick. And vertical lines, undefined.